multi-stream this, multi-stream that. This is how I multi-stream on both horizontal and vertical formats in OBS using only 2 encoders with the help of a few tools. In terms of prerequisites, first and foremost, you'll need OBS Studio, as well as both ATEM vertical and multi-stream plugins. For all your horizontal streams, you'll want to navigate to the Meld Multistream website. That's right, the team behind Meld Studio has their own multi-stream service, and the best part, it's completely free with no restrictions. Once you sign up, you'll be presented with your dashboard. Here's where you can add all your sources. For me, I have Twitch, YouTube horizontally, and Twitter or X as the 3 horizontal platforms that I consistently stream to. Next, in OBS, navigate to File, Settings. From here, click on Stream. Under Service, select Custom. Now you'll need to enter the server and stream key details for Meld Multistream. So go back to your Meld dashboard and copy and paste your credentials. You can then go ahead, click Apply and OK, and you're all set for horizontal multi-streaming. Once you click Start Streaming, you'll go live on all your horizontal platforms. Small caveat, for Twitter or X, as well as YouTube, you'll actually want to go into those dashboards and set up your broadcasts. Otherwise, your stream won't actually go anywhere. For Twitter or X, you'll go to the Media Studio Producer and click on Create Broadcast. For YouTube, you'll click on Create and go live. I would actually recommend scheduling your stream by clicking on this Manage icon. And the main reason is that it makes it easier to manage horizontal and vertical streams at the same time. In fact, if you're planning to stream in both horizontal and vertical, schedule both streams now. And whatever you do, make sure you have 2 separate stream keys created and selected. I named mine horizontal and vertical to differentiate them. Now for the vertical setup. If you want to keep it to just 2 instances of encoding, then we'll have to use another multi-stream tool here. In this case, we're going to use Restream. Restream does have a free option, however, it limits you to just 2 platforms. If you're looking to stream something like YouTube vertical, as well as TikTok, yes, TikTok, without the need for a stream key, then you can do so here. Once you have an account created in Restream, set up a new stream. Then on the right side, make sure you link your accounts. Next to your YouTube account, click on Edit. Then in the dropdown, select the vertical scheduled stream that you set up earlier. You can edit the details here if needed, then click Save. For setting up TikTok, click on Edit. Then enter your title and category, then click Save. Keep in mind that the first time you set this up, you'll have to go through a straightforward application process to be able to stream to TikTok via Restream. Once complete, we'll go back to OBS. After installing ATEM Vertical and Multistream, go to Docs, and you'll see a bunch of vertical options here. You'll want to go through the process of setting up your vertical scenes and sources, which you can then link to your main scenes so that if you switch scenes, it'll switch automatically in the vertical layouts as well. This is what it looks like for me. Once complete, make sure your ATEM Multistream dock is active. Click on the cogwheel, then navigate to Vertical Canvas. Here, you'll want to click on Add Output. From the list of options, select Other Service. Feel free to name it whatever you like, and as you can see, we're once again prompted for a server and stream key. Go back to Restream, copy the details, paste them here, and then save your output. In your video settings, you can customize your vertical encoder settings, but if you don't want to add any more overhead than you have to, stick with vertical encoder as the option, which essentially leverages your main encoder settings. And you're done with the setup. Now all you have to do is click on Start Streaming and you'll go live on your horizontal platforms via Meld Multistream. Then in ATEM Multistream, you'll click the Go Live icon next to your vertical canvas to go live via Restream. And this is as concise as I could get when discussing multi-streaming in OBS for both horizontal and vertical formats. I'm not sure how the landscape of multi-streaming will change in the future, but for now, this seems to be one of the more efficient ways of multi-streaming in OBS. There are some things that I skimmed over, such as setting up your vertical canvas using ATEM Vertical, but there are extensive tutorials online. In conclusion, I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know. Omniscient Wolf out.